Hello everyone! Welcome to English with Altaf. In this video, we are going to learn useful English sentences and conversations for office workers. I will share simple phrases that you can use daily in the workplace.
Hello, friends. I will also share practical office conversations, like how to talk to your boss, your colleagues, and how to write or reply politely in English at work.
Let us start with greetings in the office. When you enter in the morning, you can say, "Good morning, how are you today?" Or simply, "Morning, hope you are doing well."
And when you see your boss, you can say, "Good morning, sir. How was your evening?" This shows respect and friendliness.
When leaving office, you can say, "Have a nice evening," or "See you tomorrow." These are small sentences, but very useful.
If you need to ask a colleague for help, you can say, "Could you please help me with this report?" Or, "Can you explain this process to me?"
If someone asks you for help and you are available, you can reply, "Sure, I will help you," or "No problem. Give me a few minutes."
If you are busy, reply politely. "I am sorry. I am a bit busy right now. Can we talk later?" This way you are not rude.
Now let's learn office phone conversations. When answering the phone, you can say, "Good morning, this is Annie from the sales department. How can I help you?"
If you want to transfer a call, you can say, "Please hold the line. I will connect you to the concerned department," or "I will transfer your call now."
When writing emails, start with "Dear Mr. Smith" or "Dear Team." Use polite language like, "Could you please send me the file?"
End the email with "Best regards" or "Kind regards." These are professional ways to close your email.
In meetings, if you want to share an opinion, you can say, "I would like to add something," or "In my opinion, we should try this method."
If you agree with someone in the meeting, say, "I completely agree with you," or "That's a very good point."
If you disagree politely, you can say, "I see your point, but I have a different opinion," or "I respect your idea, but maybe we can try another option."
When making appointments, say, "Can we schedule a meeting for tomorrow at 10 a.m.?" Or, "I'm available in the afternoon. What time works for you?"
If you cannot attend, reply, "I am sorry, I will not be able to join the meeting. Could we reschedule it for another time?"
Now let us practice how to speak with the boss. If you need permission for leave, you can say, "Excuse me, sir, may I take a day off on Friday? I have a personal matter to attend."
If the boss gives you work, respond with, "Sure, I will complete it by the deadline," or "I will start working on it right away."
If you cannot complete on time, inform politely. "I am sorry, but I need more time to finish this report. Could I have until tomorrow?"
Teamwork is very important in the office. When working with colleagues, say, "Let us work together on this project," or "Can we divide the tasks to finish faster?"
When giving feedback, be polite. Say, "This is good, but maybe we can improve it like this." Or, "I like your idea, let us make it even better."
If someone gives you feedback, reply with, "Thank you for your suggestion. I will try to improve."
During office lunch breaks, you can start small conversations. "How was your weekend?" Or, "Do you want to join us for lunch?"
These small sentences help build friendly relationships with colleagues. You can also say, "The weather is nice today, isn't it?"
Now let us practice a small role play. I will be the boss and you will be the employee. "Good morning, Annie. Could you please prepare the report by 3 p.m.?"
"Good morning, sir. Yes, I will prepare the report and send it to you before 3 p.m.
"Thank you, Annie. Also, please attend the meeting at 4 p.m.
"Sure, sir. I will be there on time."
Good. That is how polite and professional English is used in the office.
Now let us practice another role play. This time you will be my colleague. Altaf, can you help me with this Excel sheet?
Of course, Annie. Give me 10 minutes. I will come to your desk and show you.
Thank you so much. That will help me a lot.
You're welcome. Helping each other makes the office better.
Sometimes you also need to apologize in the office. You can say, I am sorry for the delay, or I apologize for the mistake. I will correct it immediately.
If someone apologizes to you, you can reply, "That's okay, no problem," or "Thank you for fixing it."
Let us also practice English for presentations. Start with, Good morning, everyone. Today I will present the sales report.
During the presentation, use phrases like "as you can see on the slide," or "let me explain this chart in detail."
At the end of the presentation, say, Thank you for listening. Do you have any questions?
If someone asks you a question and you do not know the answer, say, "That is a good question. I will check and get back to you later."
Now let's look at polite reminders. If you need to remind a colleague, say, Just a gentle reminder. Could you send me the file today?
If you are reminding the boss, be more formal. "I wanted to kindly remind you about the approval of the report."
When ending the workday, you can say, Goodbye, everyone. Have a great evening. Or see you tomorrow.
Yes, ending the day with a polite farewell leaves a positive impression.
So today we learned many useful English phrases for office life, like greetings, meetings, emails, phone calls, teamwork, and presentations.
Yes, and we also practiced role plays for talking with the boss, colleagues, and customers, along with polite ways to ask, answer, and apologize.
What we have learned in this video is how to use simple English sentences confidently in the workplace.
What we have learned in this video is that polite, clear, and respectful English makes office communication easy and professional.